Mastering daily routines. Washing my face. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common daily activity, and that's washing our face. Understanding this phrase and the action behind it is not only great for your English vocabulary but also connects you with a universal routine practiced by people all around the world. Let's make sure you can talk about this daily habit confidently in English. Washing my face is a simple yet essential part of most people's daily hygiene routine. It involves cleaning the face using water, and often other facial cleansing products. This phrase is not just about the action itself, but it's also deeply ingrained in daily routines and self-care practices. 1. Preparation. Gather your materials such as water, a facial cleanser, and a towel. 2. Wetting your face. Splash your face with lukewarm water to prepare your skin for cleansing. 3. Applying cleanser. Use a small amount of facial cleanser, applying it in a gentle, circular motion. This helps to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. 4. Rinsing. Rinse your face thoroughly with water to remove the cleanser along with any impurities. 5. Drying. Gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing as it can irritate your skin. In different cultures, there may be unique practices or products used for washing the face. However, the basic concept remains universal. When learning English, knowing such daily routines not only expands your vocabulary but also enhances your understanding of daily life and habits in English-speaking cultures. Using the wrong temperature of water. Too hot or too cold can irritate the skin. Lukewarm is ideal. Overwashing. Washing your face too often can strip the skin of its natural oils. Harsh towels. Using a rough towel can damage your skin. Always use a soft, clean towel. Washing my face is more than just a phrase. It's a gateway to understanding daily routines and self-care practices in English-speaking cultures. We hope this video not only helps you master this phrase but also enriches your daily routine. Remember, taking care of your skin is taking care of yourself. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.